How to draw on Google Docs mobile. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can draw on Google Docs mobile. So let's just dive right into the video and find out how to do it. So if you want to draw on Google Docs mobile, what you can do is directly head over to Google Docs first and open up the Google Workspace. After that, you can tap on this plus icon to create up a new project, tap on this new document, and a screen will appear on your screen, a white screen. So what you need to do is after the screen appears at the top, you should be finding a plus icon right in the middle of comment and something text like that. So you just need to go ahead and tap this plus icon first. Once you tap on it, in the bottom you'll be giving this options like this menu piece appears. So what you need to do is go ahead and select this option called markups right below the table. Just go ahead and tap on it, and when you do that, it gives you option to draw. So what you can do is use this pen. So you can select the color of the pen and the intensity of the pen. After that, you can also select this color different highlighter or a black pen. So you can just go ahead and draw something you prefer, for example like this, and you can just go and choose according to your preferences. So that is how you draw in Google Docs following up those methods. So I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching this video.